Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, what's up, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. So guys, I know this is a bit different from my usual vlogs, and I haven't done a makeup tutorial on my video in almost 10 months, if not longer. But in today's video, I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial. A round of applause, please. It's been so long, it's been a long time coming. I have had people wanting to beat me that, D, you need to put a makeup tutorial on YouTube. We're feeling your makeup nowadays. So I finally got a good setup that I am happy with, and I decided that, I'm gonna start filming makeup tutorials for my YouTube channel again, and also more sit down chatty videos as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. It's a full face glam, and I actually really like it. I like the colors on my lid. It's like when you want to do your greens and your blues, I just want to give them just a little something. It's a really detailed video. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. We're just gonna get straight into it. Already I did a face mask, which is what I like to do nowadays. When I know I'm wearing makeup, I will do a face mask and apply some hyaluronic acid. I actually really like this stuff. This stuff feels amazing on the skin. Guys, when I say amazing, my face instantly feels so soft. So once I have that on, I just like to let that sit on my skin. I'm going in with this vitamin E intense moisture cream, and I just like to use a brush to apply this, and I just take a small amount. This is so hydrating. Yes. And then press that into my skin as well. Now I'm going to go in with my primer, and the primer I am using is the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. This is one of my favorite primers, and I'm just going to concentrate it more on this side. Skin is looking good, girl. Yes! I am going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are done, and I don't know, they're not quite cooperating today, but it's all good. We're gonna roll with it. We're gonna go with it. So now I'm gonna go onto my eyes, and I'm going to prime my lids, and I'm gonna use my concealer to do this. As usual, this is just gonna let your eyeshadows pop a bit more and also help them last a bit longer as well. I'm going to set with some Sacha Buttercup. So the palette I'm going to be using for this look is my Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I really love this palette because it allows you to be creative, and it's got a nice array of colors. I really like this palette. To start off with, I'm going to take this shade right here. This shade is amazing as a transition color. Just enough the excess. Apply this all over my crease. And I'm blending as I'm applying. I like doing my eyes first because when I'm doing a really dramatic look, I like to do my eyes first, even though this look is not all that dramatic. I love this. It's a Revlon brush, this, and it's so good for blending. You know that bone here, that bone there, I'm applying on that bone as well, so blending on that bone. Once that is nicely blended, I'm going to take another fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with this green one. So I'm really packing that color on my brush, packing it on. I'm gonna apply this under the bone. So that bone here, I think it's your brow bone. Under the bone, green shade. It's a nice dark green, and I'm gonna use circular motions here. Go back in my fluffy brush and blend I'm now going to kind of like cut my crease, kind of. I'm going to take a flat-headed brush, find it, if I can find it. I'm just going to apply like a line like that, and then look up, and that's going to show you like a nice place for you to cut your crease. Once that is done, I'm going to go back in with that green and just kind of like go just above. I'm going to go into a flat brush, and I'm picking up flat brush and picking up this shade here. I'm going to go right here, like right on the end. And as you can see, I'm kind of like dragging it in as well. So you're kind of just tapping really. So I'm going to use another flat brush, taking this one, and I'm going to go in with the lighter shade, and I'm going to put that in the rest of the space. And at this point, I'm going to stop on my eyes and do the rest of my face. So the foundation I am going to be using today is my Born This Way Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I am in the shade Cocoa. I don't actually think this is one of Jackie's shades. I think this was the darkest shade that they had before Jackie released a new, her shades and then extended the line. So I think there's like three more shades after this one now. But I was actually kind of glad that, you know, initially when they came out, I actually had my shade. So I'm going to do one side. This is actually the first time I am using this foundation. I mean, when I went to get shade matched in the shop, I tried it on. I mean, I really liked this foundation when I tried it on. This is just 2 pumps at the moment, guys. Only used like, and it wasn't even like 2 very full pumps. This is turning into a foundation review. What I'm gonna do is, I have some problem areas. So I'm gonna take one more, kind of like half a pump, and basically just go into my problem areas. So can you see, like here is like just a bit darker. Like that's where I have hyperpigmentation. So I'm gonna just blend into my neck. I'm gonna go there with a bit more foundation, and that's gonna kind of build the coverage up for me. Obviously I could have color corrected, but I don't know, I always like forget. And guys, this foundation is a dream. Like, it's actually a dream. So now onto concealer. I am taking Makeup Revolution concealers in the shade C13 and C12. I like to go in with C12 first. So, and then I go in with C13. I always go in with the same brush. So the brush I use to apply my foundation is what I use to blend my concealer in. You can go in with a beauty blender or whatever, but if I'm using a brush, the brush I use for my foundation is what I use for blending my concealer. But I'm just going to give that a second to just like sit in my skin, and I'm going to go ahead and contour. To contour, I'm going back into this palette actually, guys, and this shade right here, this shade is an amazing contour shade. No, it just gives me this brown bronze look that I really like. Also going to do the bridge of my nose, and I'm just using the same brush, but I kind of pressed it in. Go ahead, and I like to work from the outside and then work it in. And the reason I do this, I learned that when you start from here and work it in, by the time you get here you get a bit more coverage, so which is always good. We're getting there, guys. I'm going to go in with a smaller brush and do the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to use this to like blend like in here. I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup and I'm going to just set that concealer. I am now going to go ahead and dust off all that excess powder. And I like to use my setting powder to do this, and I am using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. Okay, for blush, I'm going for something really rosy. Sorry, something very peachy. Now that my face is kind of done, I'm going to go back to my eyes and just finish off. I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes, and to do this I am going to be using my Kiko gel eyeliner. I'm going to clean it off first, and I will be doing a wing. Also go ahead and line my waterline. With that first blue color I applied, which was this one, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. I'm going to blend it with that green shade, which is here. What is it? This one. For lashes, I'm going in with these lashes. Now these lashes are very dramatic, like they do the most. Like literally the most. While my lashes are just drying and getting tacky, I'm going to apply my mascara, and the mascara I am using is this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama. I'm going to go ahead and apply my brow bone color, and for this I'm going to go into my Revolution Sophie X palette. And I'm going to apply this kind of shimmery color. And then I'm going to go into my inner corner with the same palette. I'm taking this shade right here. When you apply an inner corner shade, like your eyes just open up. I'm then going to apply some mascara to blend in those lashes with my lashes. Just a little bit, not too much. And then another thing I like to do is to take liquid eyeliner and just use that to kind of like line even more and get rid of any glue. Do it on the other side. I'm gonna take this shade. So I'm going to do my favorite combo of lips. So I'm taking this New Look Matte Velvet lip liner. Now just take any brown that you have, that you can find, that like matches you nicely, and use that to kind of line. Another one that I like to use is MAC Antique Velvet. Just line your lips with it. I am going in with Makeup Revolution lip gloss. Let's go out. This is their Nude Collection lip gloss, and this one is called Bare All. I'm going to apply this all over my lip. I am going to go ahead and set my face, and to do this I am using my Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. I really don't like the smell of this, but it works really well. It has like I don't know how to describe the smell. It's like a bit like musty. You know that musty kind of smell? Yeah, that's what it smells like. But yes, go, you gotta work. So yeah, this is the final look, guys. What do you guys think? I like it. I do like this. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to check out my channel, and thumbs up for more makeup tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.